everyone, it's Brett from Duluth Pack here to talk to you today about one of my favorite products. This is our gym bag. You can see it looks very similar to a lot of our duffels, particularly our safari duffels. It would be on the smaller side of our duffels, but it has so much functionality, so much versatility. It has enough room in this top compartment for everything you'll need for a day at the gym. You can bring some clothes to change into, put the clothes that you change out of in here, and it fits perfectly along with the towel for the shower, maybe a water bottle. But you can also use this as a tool for other things. You can put your tools in here and use this as a tool bag. You can fit almost anything you can think of. It's a simple open main compartment. It also on the front has this awesome slip pocket. It's not very big, but it's perfect for a cell phone. But it's also great for if you have an ID card to get into the gym, something you swipe or scan to get in. It can fit in here. You can pack your wallet away and not have to worry about it, and it's easy to access. But the differentiator of this bag, and probably my favorite part, is this zip pocket at the bottom. You can see it goes almost all the way around the bag, so it can open nice and wide, and you can put your shoes in here. It has this awesome lining that's easy to clean, so if your shoes are muddy or dusty, you don't have to worry about that because you clean it, but also this lining prevents moisture from getting to the rest of the contents of your bag, so if your phone's in here, it's raining outside, and the shoes you take off to go to the gym are wet, you can put them in here and not worry about soak through. This is great for going to the gym, but also if you're going to the beach or into the woods and you have different shoes that you want to wear, or you just want to carry your shoes with you, they fit in here great. And also, there are many different ways to carry this bag. So you can carry it by the top grab handle. It can snap closed so that it's just one handle, or it can open up that it's two. And it also has this detachable shoulder strap. So you can clip it on, clip it off. You can fold it up and put it in the bag for storage, or you can throw it over your shoulder. It's nice and comfortable. It's our cotton web, so it requires no break-in period. It's adjustable to multiple different sizes, whatever's comfortable for you as well. So as always, our products are proudly made in the USA. They feature a lifetime guarantee on craftsmanship and hardware. So thanks for tuning in about our gym bag, and I can't wait to share something else with you next time.